Yeah, here's the new taco truck from Casa Del Sabor. Can you tell I'm by the airport location? There it is, man. Looks pretty nice, huh? I like it. Yeah, I like this new truck, man. It's pretty cool. So, if you're out and about and you see this truck, I would go ahead and get some food off of it because they got pretty good food. Yeah. I think it's all brand new. I don't think they've even used it yet. I think they're just saving it for when the race starts. And maybe there's a place they can go down and park it over there. So there it is, new truck. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it was kind of zoomed in. No wonder. All right, well there it is. Awesome. It says take a picture and follow us. So. Okay.